Hey guys, what's up?
Today I wanted to talk on a different topic that's on risk reward ratio and how to manage risk. Does risk help you in long run or on a daily basis? That is what I wanted to talk today.
So, thanks a lot for motivating me by your comments. Where few people asked me for taking classes and all. For now, I'm not planning for that.
But yes, pretty later on I would love to do it, but depends on how my plan goes. Yeah, today I wanted to talk on risk. So, what happened today was I was outside and I was kind of busy, but I still wanted to take trade today as today the market was falling very nicely. So, I could short very nicely and few I could profit where I was outside, so I could not manage my risk properly. But what I did was I had pre things before where I always keep my stop loss between 25 to 30 points. You have a particular stop loss before you enter the stock market. Before 9:15, make sure that no, I cannot take loss more than 25 to 30 points. If at all it goes more, it's not my day. Simple. You know how profit goes. So basically, I'll be aiming for 3 minutes to 5 minutes, and you know how Bank Nifty and Nifty makes. In 5 minutes, you can make a lot of money. Per lot, you can make 1k, 800 to 1k, right? If you're successful on the 3 minutes candle or 5 minutes candle, you can make decent money. That as with your loss too, it goes the same way with your loss. So make sure your stop loss is pretty tight. It's okay, consider you're taking 10 trades or 20 trades. If your stop loss or if your loss is about 10 and 21 is to 2, so basically if you lose 10 trades and make 10 profit, you're 50% ahead. Where if you consider 1 is to 2 ratio, wherein you're losing 10-1 ratio, like if you are having 25 as your stop loss and profit as 50, so basically you are profiting the other 25 or other 50, right? So that's the reason your risk has to be very tight. I'll show you how I took today. Today I've taken a lot of trades. You can call it as over trading. I know it's wrong doing so, but I wanted to show, even if I was outside, I was very sure that I'm not going to take more than 25 to 30 points as my loss. But my profit, I kept it little higher. So uh, 3 4 stop loss were hit and others were good, so I profited about 1300. That's a decent amount for a day.
and you can profit more, but be consistent. You have to be consistent on your
Trading setups or however you deal on everyday basis. So basically, if you want to you just consider 1k or 2k
a day. So try aiming that much in starting. Later on, right, if you change your lot size, automatically you start profiting.
So it's okay, let our journey take little slower. That's the reason I keep uploading small profits, small loss, big profit. So I want to take it slowly. Even I'm kind of a beginner, but I'm trying to be consistent nowadays. So
So yes, I'll show you how I took today, and I hope this helps you. And yeah, I'll just show you now. So yeah, I'll be showing from the start. Okay, so what in the morning I started my trade at 9:22. From here I thought the market will fall properly. So what I did was I took the PE order. So I basically do only buying. I don't sell here. So option buying. Okay. So the first target I got about 21 points here, and this was the first target. So basically this was 1:1 ratio. I wanted to cut, I told you, right? I wanted to cut my stop loss maximum at 25 to 30 points. So if I enter late, I extend it till 30, or else I stop my loss at 25. And my second one, see, look at this. I was sure that no, I'm not taking loss below the particular candle. You know how the candle goes. So yeah, if this is my candle, if this is my candle, I'm showing you about this trade. This was buying at 361 and selling at 357. So what happened was I took my entry here and stop loss right below this candle. I thought that no, if it goes below, these are the conditions I take my stop loss very tight. So if I know that no, from this point it's going to reverse, so that is where I will be cutting my stop loss very short, and my profits I let it go. I let it go like this much, or at least one 5 minutes candle. These are 5 minutes candle, right? So I make that, but unfortunately it didn't go on my side, this particular trade, and this is when I went outside. So but look at my stop loss. I started at 81 and this is at 55. So it's in and around 25 points, 25 to 30 maximum. And this was the first one, and second one, 38 I started, and then just 10 points. I was sure that no, if market goes below that, basically what happened was here I was profiting, so I took my loss twice here, or else I would stop my trading for the day here itself. Just cause I profited here, I took the second stop loss, or else I don't think I would have taken, or if there was a massive fall or a massive a long candle, I would have taken trade, or else I would have stopped trading for the day. And the next one, see, I met two candles stop loss, but the next candle, this was in and around 25 and this 10. But look at the reward here, this was in and around 35, but I took my trade at 387 and stopped, I mean sold at 446. So this is in and around 60 points. So basically 1 is to 2. This is 40, this is double it, right? In and around. So I thought, I was not confident because I was outside, so I had to close my trade little early. And see, I profited, I lost very little and profited two times here, and this was a very small one, and I don't want to show this because this I just profited 2 rupees and I didn't want to trade on any stocks. I basically do on index nifty and bank nifty. Okay, then as I was profiting very well here, I was profiting here very well, so I thought let me take one more trade. I was free anyway, so again I entered at 300 and see my stop loss again 25. Again I was still on a profit side. Then it was in and around 600 rupees there profiting, yet I was profiting. So here again I entered at 461 and entered at, I really do not recommend you to trade these kind of trades where 10 points 20 points, no, please. You either aim for two candles or three candles, or aim like this. I do send pre-market analysis, right? So what I do is yeah, see, I mark my zone before like this itself, where this is the reason why it went this high. So why can't you aim like this till here? where your stop loss is above. Okay, you suppose you enter here only. This must be your stop loss, and profiting, close your eyes and target till here. So basically you're covering 15, 20, 30 minutes. 30 minutes about 280. This is about for a lot. For a lot you get in and around 5k to 6k. Meanwhile, if you can't take, see 1, 2, 3, 4, this is where you start getting fluctuation. So you're profiting 4 candles at about 20, 20 to 20, that's about 100 points. So you get 2500 per lot, right? So yeah, I really would not recommend you to take these kind of trades. These are the trades you should not take. I wanted to show this too, where what kind of trades you should not take also. That is what I wanted to show here. So I just profited about 20 points here. This is not recommended. You aim for good candles, because on a starting journey you have to aim for high. Pretty later on, if you change or increase your lot size, you know how the profit goes. And the next one, see, I okay assume 25 here, 25 twos are 50. So here I got stop loss, but my profit 1 and 2, 3 and 4, I think 5 trades was successful, 3 trades was unsuccessful, right? So I lost about, yeah, 915 rupees in total, but this is my profit, right? So basically I got 1307. So what I would want you people to do is, I mean, anyone who is actually thinking for risk reward, plan for 1:1 or try for higher 1:2. Then later on you can plan for 1:3. But starting, make sure that just look at your capital and then decide, okay, I have 20 days. So if I lose 500 into 20, that is my capacity, that I can lose so much. That should be your aim for trading before 9:15. I know managing risk and making sure that my stop loss is going to be so and so is very difficult. This part even I'm facing a lot of problem. But yeah, try motivating yourself and keep your stop loss tight and let profits run. So keep supporting and follow my account for daily analysis and few informational videos, and all the best. Thank you.